Welcome back to the Software Data Boss. This is tutorial number 5 in the Python series. So today I'll be talking about the loops. So loops in the Python. So there are basically two types of the loop that we have to study, that we will use in the data science. So that is a while loop and a for loop. So first we'll look at the while loop. So here what I did, I have taken the I variable, I have assigned the value 1 to that. Now I'm writing the loop condition over here. So this is the syntax actually. While is a keyword, highlighted as a green, and then I less than equal to 100. This is the condition, and the colon. This entire is the while loop syntax. So what I'm doing, printing I and printing this also, and I'm incrementing I with by every time by 1. So if the condition is true, okay, for this, then go inside the loop and execute this if the condition is true. So I is equal to 1, 1 is less than equal to 100, right? True condition, then it will print the I and it will print this also, and then it will control will come over here. What is this? I plus equal to 1. This is a short form of I plus equal to 1 means I plus 1. I plus 1. So I'm unable to write properly, but it is the short form of I plus 1. So whenever I is equal to 1 is coming, so I plus 1 means 1 plus 1, I will be 2. Again that 2 will come here, it will check 2 is less than equal to 100, true. So it will again execute, go on. So this loop will be, this loop will be continue till it get executed, till entire till the condition get false. So when I is equal to 100, then I is less than equal to 100. So of course this condition is true, then this will print it, then I will be 101. Now 101 is less than equal to 100 means condition is false. So it will come out of the loop. If I execute this particular statement, what I'm getting this statement running for 100 times. I'm getting this condition running for 100 times. So 100 times I'm getting hello, I have done with the assignment. So I hope you must have understood this particular loop. Now let's come to the here. X is equal to 10 while x is less than equal to 100. I'm assigning 10. I'm starting with x is equal to 10 is less than equal to 100. Yes, condition is true. It will go inside the loop. What it is doing? First it is incrementing, because what I want first even number after 10. I want first even number after 10. So I need to first increment it. Then it is become 11. Now if x modulo 2, modulo what modulo returns? Modulo returns the remainder. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking if condition inside the while loop. So if once the condition is true, whatever will be inside the loop will be executed. So if condition will be executed, and then it will check whether x modulo 2 equal to 0. This is the comparator operator. Of course x is the 11 now, so 11 modulo 2, x coming 10 over here, but it is incrementing here. So 11 modulo 2 not equal to 0, it is 1. When I divide 11 by 2, I will get the result 1. 1 is not equal to 0, so this condition is false, so it will not go inside this if block. Now control will come over here. 11 is less than equal to 100, correct, the condition is true. Now again we'll go inside the loop, x plus 1. Then what will happen this time? 11 plus equal to 1 means now it will be 12. Now 12 modulo 2 equal to 0. Yes, when I divide 12 by 2, I will get the remainder 0. So that is equal to the 0. Condition is true. Whatever inside the loop will be executed, because I want to print only first even number. So first even number is 12. So whatever will be there will be coming here only. This print statement, you must have, I already told you about how we should write inside the print statement a particular variable. Here nothing will come, empty string will come, then the variable will be coming x will have value 12, and then the first number greater than 10, that is even. Okay, so break. What is this break keyword? Break will terminate this particular loop. Whatever number of, if there are 3 loops also, that will be terminated. So break is because we want only first even number. After this this condition made, okay, we don't want to iterate again, because we got the 12. Again if we iterate, then it will be 12 less than 100, then it will be true. Again this will coming like 13, then 13 modulo 2. But I don't want that to happen. That's why using break statement to break this particular loop. It will come out of this loop. So if I print this, then I'm getting 12 is the first number that is greater than 10, that is even. So I hope you understand this. Now next is the for loop. So what is the for loop? For loop, so for I in the Bangalore. So what is this Bangalore? Bangalore is a string, because in double quotation it is a string, and for I am iterating on this Bangalore string. Okay. So what is I? I is the iterator. I is the iterator. It can be any variable, A, B, C, D. You can take anything. I have taken here A, and I'm printing it. So what it will do? It will one by one will be iterate on this particular string. So I will take the value first B, then A, then N, G, then L, then O, R, E, like that. Let me execute this, then you will understand it better. So if I hit shift enter, then see we are getting first B, A, and G. So every time I will take first index, then second index, third index, like that. It will take the entire string one by one. Now see what I've written here, for I in the range. This is the syntax of for loop actually. For is a keyword, I in, again a keyword in this particular string, and then colon. This is syntax of for loop. Okay, here for I in a range. What is this range? Range is a 1 to 100. So why I want to print number from 1 to 100? But what is a range function? In a range function, you include a first number but exclude last number. Exclude the last number, that is 100. So I will iterate from 1 to 99. It will exclude last number. Okay. So instead of writing 100 number here, I have just use the keyword range. That will take care that it will take the value from 1 to 99, because it will exclude last number. So if I print over here, so see I'm getting value from 1 to 99. So every time I will start from 1, because I am given starting as 1 and ending as 100, but 100 is excluded, and it will print one by one the value of I, like that. This print statement, it is inside the for loop. It is inside the for loop, so it should be one tab space indented. Then this will be a part of this particular for loop. Now I'm going to the next. Here I haven't given any starting. I have only written 100. So by default it will start from 0. It will start from 0 and it will go till 99, because this is the ending. This is the ending, and starting is by default 0, but ending is excluded. So 0 to 99 it will print. So this is a short form actually. I haven't given anything starting. If it is single range, single is written, single number is written, means that is the ending. So if I hit shift enter, then I'll get from 0. It is starting from 0. It will go till 99. If I write here 5, then 5, it will start from 5. It will go till 99, because 100 is excluded. So 5, it is starting from 5, because I have given starting as 5. Have you understood? Let's go to the next. Here for I in a range, start from 1, go till 100, exclude 100, but every time they take 2 step, like starting from 1, then 2 step will be 1 plus 2, 3, then 1, 3, then 5, 7, all the odd numbers it will be printing, because I have given step size as 2. So if I print this, then I'll get 1, 3, 5, 7, like that, step size 2. Okay, I hope you understood. Now for I in the range 100, 0, 2. Now I am starting from 100. Now I'm going till 0, and I'm going negatively, means I'm stepping down. I'm stepping down 2 step every time. So I'm going starting from 100. I'll go till 0. So I'm negatively stepping. So 100, I'm starting from 100, will go till 2, because ending is excluded. So 0 will be excluded. Before 0, what will be 2, because 100 will be decremented till 2, then 0 will be coming. So two step decrement every time, and it is printing like that. So now for I in the range 3. So I in the range 3 means it will start from 0. It will start from 0. It will go 1, 2, like that, because ending is excluded. Now This is the nested for loop. Inside this for loop, again there is one more for loop. For I in the range 10, print I. For I in the range 10, print I. So what it is essentially happening over here, I in the range 10, again this for loop, because inside this for loop is there because it is one tab space indented, means whatever inside this outer for loop will be executed. So inside this for loop this statement is there. So for I in the range 10 means it will go from 0 to 10, 0 to 9, because ending is excluded. So it will print first I will take the value 0, then that will be printed, then I will take the value of 1, then that will be printed like that. Then I will take the value of 9 at last, and that will be printed. Again will control will come here. Now because first 0 iteration is completed, now I will take the value of 1. I will take the value of 1, and then again it will go inside this for loop. Again I will take the value of 0, 1, 2 till 9, right? So this inner for loop will be executed 3 times. 3 times inner for loop will be executed. It depends upon the outer loop size, range size, because if I take the value for your here 0 to 3 means 4 times this inner loop will be executed. I hope you must have understood this. Try to understand, try to play with this with different numbers, then you will understand it better. If I print it, then I am getting 0 to 9 3 times, 0 to 9, then 0 to 9, then 0 to 9. 3 times I got, depending upon outer. Now the last one, that is I want all the numbers that is divisible by either 2 or 7. Okay, so first for I in the range I am starting from 100 and my ending is 300, but 300 excluded. So if a number modulo 2 means if the number is divisible by 2, because if the number is divisible by 2, then I'll get the result 0, remainder as 0. So remainder equal, I'm comparing remainder over here. If the remainder equal to 0, then print that number. Means if I'm getting the remainder 0 means that is the even number if I dividing by 2. Okay, again if the number is divisible by 7 and I'm getting if the number is divisible by 7 like 7, 14, 21, then of course I will get the remainder 0. So and again I am printing that number and I am writing a continue keyword over here. What is keyword word continue? What it will do, once if I got a number that is divisible by 2, then it will not go further into it will not, because this after this if condition must be checked, because all these two statements are inside this for loop, so both should be executed one by one. But if I write continue over here, if the number is divisible by 2, then that number will be printed and then continue statement will execute. Continue means go to the next iteration directly without executing the next steps. Means if this continue statement executed, the control will go over here and this statement will be skipped. Whatever statement if after that inside this for loop, all the statement will be skipped. So first 100 will be coming, 100 modulo 2, 100 is the even number, then printing, then directly the iteration will come over here. Okay, then 101 will be coming, 101 modulo 2 not equal to 0, so this condition is false, though not, then inside the if loop not is whatever statement will be there will not be executed. It will, the control will come over here. Now it number is either 101 is divisible by 0, then of course this false condition, then again next 102 will be there. So accordingly this entire loop will be executed. If I hit shift enter, I'm getting all the numbers either divisible by 100 or 107. So 102, 104, 105, 106, 110, 114. So all the number I got, that is either divisible by 2 or 7. So with that I have completed with the loops. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.